Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast for a potential winter storm that's coming up on Saturday, Sunday, through Monday and Tuesday. But this is what we have so far. This will very likely will not be a named storm. But I still wanted to raise awareness for it anyways because it could bring some good totals. We'll start in the Gulf. Well, not the. I'm so used to saying that. We'll start in central United States. You can see that huge green band spreading from Nebraska through southern Illinois, Tennessee, West Virginia, all the way through coastal Massachusetts. That's where you'll see rain. Now, the rain may not be heavy, but you're going to see some kind of rain in this green region for right now. Now, disclaimer before I get to the snow and other stuff. This forecast is not final. I might make an update on it tomorrow, but this is what we're looking at so far. Totals could change, storm could disappear, anything could happen. Now, in that little pink region spreading from central Iowa through far northeast Missouri into parts of Illinois is where we'll have ice turning into mix. Ice totals will be very insignificant, like maybe 1/10 of an inch glaze. Then it turns to mix, which will probably end up melting some of it. Then you have this large purple swath spreading from southern Michigan all the way through Boston and much of New York. That's where you'll see snow turning into rain in that region. Snow may stick to the ground in some areas, but I don't really know which areas yet. It's very localized, so if you're in Indiana in this purple region, you may see like trace to an inch of snow along with the rain. But if you're in, like, for example, not Boston, like somewhere in Massachusetts, in the purple region, you might not see any snow. It just really depends on where you are and other various factors. You can see aqua regions spreading from South Dakota through southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, through much of Wisconsin, through much of Michigan, and parts of New England. Is less than 1 to 3 inches of snow in these aqua-colored regions, and then getting into the cyan color, spreading from parts of South Dakota along the Iowa-Minnesota borderline and along the Wisconsin-Illinois borderline north, and including a small part of coastal Michigan, west coastal Michigan, I should say. That's where you'll see 3 to 6 inches, and some areas could see locally higher amounts up to maybe 7 to 8, depending on where you are. It's just so many factors depend on this storm, and just one little change could, like, completely get rid of the snow, so I'll have to keep watch on this. Then those dark blue regions, including a small little area in South Dakota and in Lacrosse area in southwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Iowa, and far southeastern Minnesota. Mainly in the Lacrosse area, generally, is where you'll see 6 to 10 inches of snow. Now, in these dark blue regions, expect the lower amounts, like 6 to 8 inches, not like 10 inches, unless the storm changes. That's obviously a possibility, but it is unlikely to happen. That's your trusted weather forecast for this potential winter storm. I'll see you in the next video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want. Goodbye. Back to the